In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto from the Binance exchange to the Coinbase exchange, or any other cryptocurrency exchange. I recommend spreading your crypto investments and not storing all your crypto on one exchange. For example, if you have a portfolio of $1,000, then you can distribute it across different exchange accounts. If you don't know which exchange to choose, then use the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges from the CoinMarketCap rating. My investment portfolio is roughly $500. It's a cryptocurrency that I don't sell, I just hold until it grows. At the moment, I use Binance, Coinbase, and Gate.io. I only use the latter exchange to buy altcoins. But for storing cryptocurrency, I recommend the Coinbase exchange. It has never been hacked and is very reliable. So now I'm going to show you how to send cryptocurrency from the Binance exchange to the Coinbase exchange. To get started, log into your account on the Binance exchange and register on the Coinbase exchange if you don't have an account there. After that, on the Binance exchange, in the main menu, select the Overview section, click on the Withdraw button and select the cryptocurrency you want to send to another exchange. For example, Shiba Inu. But if sending this cryptocurrency is not possible, then open the Spot section. In the search, you need to enter the name of the cryptocurrency and convert it into a cryptocurrency for which there are no restrictions for sending. For example, Dogecoin. After that, convert the amount of Shiba Inu cryptocurrency to Dogecoin. I want to send 200 units of Dogecoin to another exchange. After exchanging or selling cryptocurrency, you need to go back to the Withdraw section and select Dogecoin there. Open the Coinbase exchange and select the Send or Receive section. Select Receive and search for Dogecoin in the list of cryptocurrencies. After that, copy the wallet address. You need to copy and paste it into the address section on the Binance exchange. After that, choose the network that suits you with the least amount of fees. Enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, click the Withdraw button. The fees for sending this cryptocurrency are minimal, so I chose it to send. After that, go through the confirmation process and your cryptocurrency will be successfully sent to the Coinbase exchange. It should take approximately 15 or 20 minutes for the cryptocurrency to be credited to your wallet on the Coinbase exchange. In this way, you can distribute your cryptocurrency investments on different exchanges, and if one of the exchanges stops working, you will not lose your investment. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.